Hello students, welcome to Organic Chemverse YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the two famous reducing reagents in organic chemistry, that is sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride. Many students often they get confused between these two reagents. They don't know what their reactions are. So in this video, I am going to clarify. So please watch this video carefully. Now, what is sodium borohydride? It is a mild reducing reagent with the molecular formula NaBH₄. What is lithium aluminium hydride? It is a strong reducing reagent with the molecular formula LiAlH₄. What is the choice of the solvent when we use these reagents? Whenever we use sodium borohydride, mostly we are going to use a protic solvent like methanol, ethanol, or even water. That means it's reactive even in these protic solvents. Of course, you can use aprotic solvents. There's no problem, all right? But whenever we use lithium aluminium hydride, we can't use the protic solvents because lithium aluminium hydride is a strong reducing agent. It's very, very reactive. Therefore, we can't use protic solvents, hence we have to use a protic solvent. What is the best example for a protic solvent? Tetrahydrofuran, THF, popularly known as THF, that is tetrahydrofuran. Remember, lithium aluminium hydride vigorously reacts with the water, methanol, ethanol. Therefore, we can't use lithium aluminium hydride in the protic solvents, right? Now, what about the reaction? Sodium borohydride is a mild reducing reagent, right? And it is selective. What about lithium aluminium hydride? It is a strong reducing reagent and it is non-selective. What do you mean by non-selective? That means it will react with almost all of the functional groups. In order to understand the last point, let's see some of the reactions of the sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride. Sodium borohydride reacts with aldehyde and ketones only. It reacts with aldehyde to form a primary alcohol. So let's see the reaction. Say you take any alcohol, right? So when you use sodium borohydride, you are going to get a reduced product, that is primary alcohol. You can even do the reaction with ketone. So you are going to get a secondary alcohol. By default, you are going to get primary and secondary alcohol respectively. Okay, these are the two selective reactions we are talking. But whenever we use lithium aluminium hydride, along with these two reactions, remember students, lithium aluminium hydride does these two reactions as well. Okay, along with these reactions, it can also reduce carboxylic acid to alcohol, primary alcohol. It can even react with an ester. It can react with an ester and it can reduce it to an alcohol. It can even reduce nitrile cyano compounds to the corresponding amides. Not just that, it can even reduce amides. What are amides? CONH2 to form a primary amide. These are the major difference. These reactions cannot be done by sodium borohydride, whereas lithium aluminium hydride along with an aldehyde and ketone, it can also react with the acid, ester, nitrile and amide to form the corresponding products. Now, we have to identify one more difference between these two reagents. What is it? About the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. What exactly it means? Let me explain with an example. Whenever we have carbon-carbon double bond, remember, whenever we have carbon-carbon double bond like this, both sodium borohydride and lithium aluminium hydride both will not react with this double bond. Okay. And whenever we have unsaturated, that means what? Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone, sodium borohydride will not react, but lithium aluminium hydride will reduce such alpha beta unsaturated compounds. What does that mean? We know that whenever we have ketone, it will reduce it to a secondary alcohol. Not just that, even the double bond will get reduced. That is something specific to lithium aluminium hydride, since it is a strong reducing reagent and there is a conjugation which will make both the double bonds to get reduced. Remember, if we just have carbon-carbon double bond, both of them are not react. That's something similarity, okay? But what is the difference? If there is alpha beta unsaturated, the sodium borohydride will not react, whereas lithium aluminium hydride will reduce the carbon-carbon double bond along with the carbonyl. I hope I made it clear. And if you have any question or query on this topic or any other topic, you can take a photo of it and you can post it in the comment section. I'm going to solve that example for you. Thank you for watching this video.